In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn on TikTok with or without showing your face. I've grown multiple faceless TikTok accounts, including my personal TikTok account. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can also benefit from it. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is mosescnx, and all I do on this channel is to look for legit ways you can use to earn money online. If I try them out by myself, I come here and I show you guys step by step on how to do it. So if you are interested in videos like this, you want to keep seeing more amazing content from this channel, make sure to like this post, subscribe to this YouTube channel, comment where you are watching me from, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so anytime I post video, YouTube will notify you first. Without wasting much of your time, let me go to my phone screen and show you guys step by step on how to do everything. First thing to do is to open your Gmail app. So you can use any device, whether iPhone or Android. Open your Gmail app, then click on your icon on you see either your profile picture or the first name of your email. You see it here. Then under it here you see add account. Click on that add account, click on Google, set up a new Gmail account. Why I say this is that some people have used their email to like registered on TikTok before. So if you have used your email to open any TikTok account before, you have connected to any TikTok before, it's not going to work for this. So you need to create a new Gmail account. Hope you understand. So once you have set up your email account, you can see I just set up this email account now to show you guys how to go about it. So once you are done setting up your email account, you are going to go to your Play Store or App Store depending on the device you are using, and you are going to search for Winscribe. So go to your App Store, your Play Store, search for Winscribe VPN. You can see it here. So I just install it. So make sure to install it to your smartphone. So after you are done installing it, click on this open. So once you click on open, you are going to register with your email. So if you did not register with your email, they will not give you this free try here. Register with the new email you create. So once you register, you are going to come to this place and search for any location in the United Kingdom. So you can search for London. You can see this particular one. This is the one I'm using currently. Just click on it and you can use this particular location for free. You understand? So once you have turned on your VPN, you can see my VPN is currently turned on. You are going to go to your Chrome browser. Hope you understand. So let's go back to Chrome. So where is my Chrome? Okay, see my Chrome browser here. So you are going to go to your Chrome browser. So once you are in your Chrome browser, you are going to go to tiktok.com. Let me tiktok.com. You can see tiktok.com here. Search for tiktok.com. So once you search for it, click on your profile icon, click on this login. So once you click on this login, it will take you to this page. So what you are going to do under it here, you are going to see sign up. So where my arrow is pointing, click on that sign up. So once you click on sign up, you are going to see use phone or email. This use phone or email, click on it. So once you click on it, this place they will ask you to select your birthday, and then I'm going to click on next. So this place you are going to see register with phone number or with email. Even if you have a UK phone number, please use email. Switch it to this place that is saying email. Then this place you are going to input the new email you just created. So the new email is mosescnx testing. I'm coming. mosescnx testing at gmail.com. You can see it here. Then you click on next. So once you click on next, it's going to take you to this place to solve this puzzle. So this is a simple puzzle. They will just tell you to drag and fit in this this animal here. So just solve it. You can see it's very simple. Solve the puzzle. They will give you different puzzles, so just solve it. Then this place they'll ask you to create password. Hope you can see I've already created my password. So what I will do now is to click on this sign up. So once I click on this sign up, they are going to send code to my email. They have sent the code. So let me just include the code now. The code is 822509. That is the code. You can see. So if they say maximum number, you are going to see this maximum number of attempts reached. Try again later. So this is exactly what you are going to do. You are going to download a new browser, because I've used this browser to open account before. So if you see this, go and download new browser. So what we are going to do now is just let's back from this place. Let's cancel everything. So let's go back to let's go back to my home this thing, and okay, so now let's go back to Play Store. You understand? So where's my Play Store? You can see Play Store here. So let's go and search for Brave browser. You can see Brave, this Brave browser. You can see it here. No, not this particular one. This particular one, this Brave browser here, you can see it. So let's install it. So guys, I installed new browser, Brave browser. I try to like register again, they still tell me the same thing, maximum attempt reach. So now we are going to use the second method. So we are going to try out the second method. This particular one, you don't need to on any VPN, and this one you don't need to use the browser, you need to use the app. So download the TikTok app, click on the sign up button. It's going to take you to this place. So all you are going to do is to click on this you can see by continue with an account located, you are going to see in Nigeria, where this my arrow is pointing. So click on that Nigeria. So once you click on that Nigeria, you are going to come here and search United Kingdom. You can see it here. Click on United Kingdom. So once you click on United Kingdom, you can see it's showing under here. You are going to see option to register with phone number, this place like this. So don't use this phone number. Like I said, even if you have a UK phone number, don't use phone number, use email. So you are going to see this email icon here. Click on email. So once you click on email, then you are going to type in the new email I just created for this tutorial, which is mosescnx testing. mosescnx testing at gmail.com. You hope you can see. Then we click on continue. Hope you can see. So now they have already sent a verification code to my email, so I'm going to check. So that is the verification code. Then in this place you are going to choose your this thing, your date of birth, then click on continue. You understand? So if you come to this place, it's going to show you add phone number, but at the top you are going to see something like skip. This place, just click on the skip. So this place, it will tell you to create a password. So all you have to do is to create password. Hope you can see everything is now checked mark. Then I'll just click on continue. Hope you understand. Then this place you see add name. So I don't want to do the name, I just want to skip. So hope you, as you can see, we have successfully created our UK TikTok account. To confirm if this account is a UK TikTok account, so you are going to click on this three line at the top here. So once you click on the three line, you are going to see this setting and privacy, the one under. Click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to this place. You are going to see this place that is showing account. Click on accounts. So once you click on accounts, at the top you are going to see account information. Click on it. So once you click on it, you can see account region United Kingdom. So we have successfully created a UK TikTok account. This thing that I just show you how to create it for free. People are charging 10,000, 15,000 to create it for people on TikTok, but I just show you how to create it for free without charging you anything. So all you have to do is to subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video, drop a comment so that YouTube can push this video. So that is your own way of also supporting me as I show you how to do this thing completely for free. So let's go back. Let me show you how to earn on this account. So once you go back to your profile, you are going to see this TikTok studio. So once you click on this TikTok studio, it's going to open up. My network is a bit slow this night, but I'm going to still show you guys everything, by the way. So here you are going to see creator reward program, this place. Let's click on it. Let me show you something. So this is this particular program is what you need to join to start earning money from your video. So I'm going to show you the requirements to get monetized on this account. So as you can see on the screen, you need to be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. So to get these things that you are seeing here is very easy on TikTok. TikTok is not like other platforms. You understand? You can just post one video. You can post one video and just get all these things you are seeing here. This 10,000 followers, this 100,000 views. It's very, very possible. I've done it before in the past. So don't worry about this number you are seeing here. So I know a lot of you are going to ask a lot of questions. How am I going to like verify my account since I'm not in the UK, I don't have a UK passport, UK ID and all of that. You don't need a UK ID to verify your account. So this thing you are seeing here, this is my voters card. You can see I've used this voters card to verify one of my UK TikTok accounts. You can use voters card, you can use plastic NIN, you can use international passport. So you can use this to verify your identity, because before you can join the creator reward programs, you need to verify your identity. So after you verify your identity, they will tell you to set up your payouts, set up your payout, like how you want them to pay you your money, the money you'll be making from your video views. So a lot of you will start asking that I'm not in the UK, so am I going to get a UK account? So that one is very simple. There are platforms like Gray app that will allow you to get a UK bank account, US bank account. So you can download the Gray app, do your KYC, and they will give you a UK bank account. Then you set the UK bank account as your payout. So you see that you don't even need any excuse. All those your excuse, you don't need them. You can actually do it. So now that your account is set up, you know how what you need to get monetized, you know what you need to get to verify and set up your payout method. So the next question a lot of people will ask is, which type of content can I create to make money on TikTok? So I'm going to give you a list of contents you can create. So the first one is clipping. Right now there is Shank Comics, Kataefe, Enzo, Speed, a lot of them that are doing this live stream. So all you have to do is to join their live stream, screen record the great moments, maybe when they are doing something crazy and all of that. Screen record them, edit it, and start posting. You can just be doing that, and people engage with it, this type of content. Their fans will like, comment, and all of that. So I know you will say that you don't know how to edit. You can learn how to edit in one day on YouTube. Download CapCut, InShot, and all this editing app. Go to YouTube, learn how to edit. The second niche I will give you is posting gospel preaching. You can screen record when they are preaching, doing praises and worship, all those great moments when they are preaching and all of that. Screen record them, edit, put captions and all of that, and be posting it. You will get a lot of views, get your requirements, and monetize it. So another one is football. So let me show you one website. So let's go back. Let me show you one website. So if you go to your Chrome or any browser at all, you are going to search for this footballia. You can see footballia.com. So just sign up. I don't want to sign up. So if you sign up here, you come to this search bar, you search for any footballer. You can search for any footballer, search for any match, even match from 10 years ago. You will see the video here. Play it, screen record the part you want to use. You can decide to create a TikTok account to focus only posting Cristiano Ronaldo football. Like maybe when Ronaldo is scoring goal, you can just dedicate a UK TikTok account and just be posting it. Find videos. You can even go to TikTok, download the videos. Once you download the video, edit them, post it back on TikTok. TikTok is not like other platforms that they will say this one, that one. So you don't have any excuse. The list is long. You can decide to create AI story. You understand? You can decide to create AI story, have part 1, part 2. So there are a lot of niche. You will be the one to search for something you know that, okay, this is the one I can do, and start posting. So you don't even need to show your face. If you want to do content like me, you can create accounts and be posting, teaching people what you know, relating with people, and you can also get monetized and start making money. But if you are somebody that is shy, you don't want to show your face but you still want to make money, you can also still make money from this. Anything that you know, okay, this is something I can create, just be posting it. Use trending sound, trending hashtag, your caption and everything. Once you edit it, people are going to relate with it. It's going to, sometimes it can take a month, but you definitely monetize and start making money from your UK TikTok account. So this information, go and do what you like with this information. A lot of people are just going to watch this video and they will not take any action. And some people, after watching this video, they will go and create their UK TikTok account, set it up, and start posting, and they'll get monetized and start making money. Some people will watch this video and just go away. But just do anything you like with this information. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel because I will be posting more updates on this channel. Updates you can use to earn money online, updates you can use to learn about this AI, cryptos and everything. So make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this post, comment where you are watching me from, and comment what you think about this particular video. So see you in my next post.